This is a quick tutorial on how to resize images in Photoshop. We want to maximize resolution. If we do not do that, then once you save the image, it's going to be fairly pixelated. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to go up to Image and then Image Size. Here we're going to start out with changing these dimensions. We're going to leave this resolution at 72, but we're going to go up here and change this. You can see the file size is 51 megabytes. If I change this here, we're down to 488. We're going to go ahead and leave it at that and hit OK. Here, if I hit the Control and plus keys, I can zoom in and you can see it's somewhat pixelated. So to solve that problem, we're going to go back up to File. We will click Save for Web and Devices. Here it gives us two views. This is the size of our original that we have right now, and then this is the one that we've resized. We want to change this resolution here so we have better quality. So here I will now change the image size. I'll click here and that will update this number over on the left hand side underneath JPEG. So you will have to play around with that just a bit. Okay, so I'm at 253. That will be just fine. So now I will go ahead and click Save, rename the file with your assignment number and then your last name. Click Save. I had already saved it in the demo, so I'm going to hit Replace, and now the image is saved. So once I've saved the image, I can then open the file, and here I can look at the file list and details, and I can see that the file is 253 kilobytes, so that's a perfect size.